All right, let's go check out some updates here at Epcot.
Hey friends, today we're here at Epcot to check out some updates around the park. It's a little bit of a later start, but that's how we roll. We're the park closers and not the rope droppers. Anyways, we're mainly here to check out Frozen Ever After. This ride closed recently for refurbishment in late January, and there wasn't a set reopening date. But it soft opened last night, so we're gonna check that out. We're really excited to see these new animatronics. Oh, I like that one. They're so cute. It did rain a little bit, so some of them, I think made it more vibrant, really, because of the rain. So that's always really cool. There's just so much to unpack in this festival in such little time. So if you do have the time to check it out, definitely make time in your vacation, because there's so much unique art and there's so much to see. Who knows? Maybe you'll end up buying a piece of art.
Yeah, we saw some of the cool new chalk art on the ground, some of our favorite characters, and now it's time to go get some food. We got a lot of options with all the different food booths, quick services. Too many options to choose from, quite frankly.
Yeah, it's hard when there's too many options. But I want to try something new, but I also want to get something that we also have gotten from the festival already, so it's kind of hard. Do we get both, or do we...
Yeah, do you get your favorite familiar thing, or do you try something new and be adventurous? Caitlin says, let's try something new.
This is La Cantina at the Mexico Pavilion. They offer quick and tasty snacks like nachos, tacos, and churros. So, let's check it out. And for our snacks, we got the barbacoa tacos. This is shredded beef on homemade corn tortillas, topped with red salsa and cilantro. This is also served with rice and black beans with queso fresco. We also got some fried plantains. I saw them recently online and they looked really good, so I'm excited to try this.
All right, let's go. This is really good. I don't know, the corn tortilla, it just tastes like really homemade. Yeah, it just tastes fresh. Okay, now to try the plantains. That's the cheese and just the flavor and the texture. If you love plantains, this is so good. I need to learn how to cook these. This is just like a perfect snack. I could just eat this all day at the park. I mean, it's fruit, you know? Oh, this might be my new favorite snack of the year. We'll see, but you gotta try it. I think that's a tip that I feel like it's hard to kind of mention, but when you order from a quick service restaurant, I don't know, it's a busy park day and you're in the middle of the hustle and bustle and you just want to eat and there's no places to sit, take a step back, try to walk around the park a little bit, and you never know, there might be a spot available for you to just take a couple of bites. Like when we got this food, there was no tables. Everyone's standing around just waiting for their next turn, their next spot for a table. And I just said, hey, let's get closer to Norway so we can get in Frozen, eat this food real quick. And sure enough, this table is just sitting here waiting for us. So just always be patient when you're at the parks during the busy times. Just to mention, it is cheer week. I didn't even realize it was cheer week.
I didn't know either.
I went to the bathroom and everyone had their pom-poms and their hair out, and I got my braids on, so I'm blending in quite well with them. So, got my braids on. It's perfect for all year round, especially when it's hot in the summer, because the back of your neck is just, gets that nice little random breeze when you're in Florida. Oh yeah. Maybe you'll see some other cheerleaders later on.
Yeah, overall, I think we got to get this every time. This is maybe a new favorite spot. We love any type of Mexican food, but I'm usually picky when it comes to the beans, but these were like perfectly seasoned, not too salty, not too texturally overwhelming or anything like that. Yeah, definitely recommend this place.
I think our most visited restaurant in Disney is probably the San Angel Inn. We love the food there, and we really wanted to go there today, but unfortunately the app was down, so I couldn't book a reservation. So we just kind of winged it today. We knew we wanted to get on Frozen. We knew we wanted to get some food, and I'm really glad that we tried something new today instead of our usual go-tos. And speaking of trying new things, we're about to try something else that's new. This is going to be the school bread cold brew here in the Norway Pavilion. This is located at Kringla Bakery OG Cafe. I might have said that wrong.
It's coffee time. That's what time it is.
It doesn't matter what time it is. It's
And then
always...
maybe we can go see the topiaries.
Oh,
It
yeah.
doesn't matter what time it is. It's always coffee time.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is good. I've always never liked toasted coconut flakes, though. Like the texture, the cold foam on it is really good. It does taste like school bread.
We also got Verdon's Best Cake. This is vanilla cake with custard and almond meringue topping.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be like. Why is that so hard? I don't know. It looks like whipped cream. It reminds me of a donut. It's like the donut custard kind of feeling, you know? Now this I'm curious because this isn't budging.
It's just a solid piece.
It's like marshmallow fluff or like whipped cream, but it's on there for, I don't know. Well, after all the food and coffee, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get on Frozen tonight. This line is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen it backed up this much. The park closes in an hour, so.
And that's the end of the line sign.
Ooh, let's see if it refreshed on the app, the posted wait time. This coffee is good. I would definitely get this again too.
It kind of tastes like an alcoholic drink. I can't explain what it tastes like. Maybe I'll get back to you on that.
Aww.
It's my boy.
I love Goofy.
Oh, look, let's check out this one.
Oh yeah, this is a new mural. Oh, it's like food and wine, maybe? And the Skyliner. That's pretty cool. Huh.
That's cool, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely different from the one we've tried.
The one we painted?
The one we painted, yeah. Sorry, I said tried because I'm looking at all these food booths. We didn't try this food booth. I think we were going to, and we just got too full. They have a beef Wellington croissant thing that looked interesting. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, that looked amazing.
It did. You might have to try that another time.
All right, let's scope out some more of these topiaries.
And we got another topiary. This is Phineas and Ferb. This is so cute. Aww. This is basically in between Figment and the Creation Shop. If y'all don't know, the Flower and Garden Festival starts March 4th through June 1st. There's so many cool topiaries and new food booths to try, and they also have a festival as well called Garden Rocks, They have different concerts and artists that come out to Disney's Epcot. We've actually got to experience Flock of Seagulls one year and go on Guardians right after. Oh, look, and there's Bambi. Aw, and this one's closer to the Odyssey Pavilion.
Bambi and Thumper.
Yeah, and the skunk. I just can't think of the skunk's name. They're so cute. Maybe one year they'll make a Baymax one.
We can only hope. And then for reference, the Phineas and Ferb one's over there in the distance.
La Cantina. That's the spot right there. Alrighty, it's 8:30 and Frozen Ever After is posted at a 55-minute wait. So this is our ride of the night.
And we're all the way back here in China, pretty much.
Yeah. It's 9:06. The park's officially closed, and so far we have waited 42 minutes. So we'll be on the ride very shortly.
I'm so excited to see the new animatronics.
I know. 44 minutes later.
Do you want to build a snowman? We're going up to Elson's ice house. You and you and you, all of you. See you there. Welcome to Elson's Ice Palace. Frozen fun for the first time in forever. Elsa's been flying everyone. No matter what, no rules for me. I breathe. Let it go. They're both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense.
In the great symphony of us.
Wow, that was really cool.
That was perfect timing, huh? Those animatronics were amazing. I thought I was at a whole different theme park.
That was so cool. Definitely worth the wait for the upgrade.
Absolutely. I'd wait another hour to go see them again. That was so good.
That was so cool.
It's also an after hours. That's why it's
Yeah.
a little busy today.
The DVC Moonlight Magic. It's for Disney Vacation Club members.
All right, we're home now. We had a lot of fun today at the park. Tried some new food over at Norway, Mexico. Coffee was phenomenal. The new animatronics for Frozen Ever After are just breathtaking. It makes you feel like you're in a totally different theme park. I mean,
Yeah, they exceeded my expectations, honestly.
exceptional quality. Definitely check it out on your visit. to
Definitely
Epcot.
worth the wait for the upgrades. So, yeah.
Absolutely, yeah.
But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.